In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Fortnite with Steam Controller. Before we dive in, make sure a few basics are covered. Steam should be installed on your PC and fully updated, and Fortnite should be installed through the Epic Games launcher. Your Steam controller needs to be charged and ready, and you can connect it with either a USB cable or Bluetooth, depending on what works best for your setup. Start by opening Steam and signing in. We want Steam to properly recognize the controller, so head to the Settings menu from the Steam top left menu, then open the Controller section. Here, enable Steam Input. This tells Steam to manage your controller for games you launch through it, even if those games aren't native to Steam. Think of it as letting Steam be the translator between your controller and Fortnite. Next, power on your Steam controller. Connect it either by plugging in a USB cable or by pairing over Bluetooth. Once connected, stay inside Steam and open the controller settings to test it. Press each button, move the sticks, pull the triggers, and make sure Steam is seeing every input. If something doesn't respond right away, give it a moment, reset the cable, or toggle Bluetooth off and on. Verifying everything here saves time later when you're in-game. Now we'll bring Epic Games Launcher into Steam so Steam Input can do its job. In your Steam library view, click Add a game at the bottom left, then choose Add a non-Steam game. Steam will scan for installed apps. Look for Epic Games Launcher in the list, select it, and add it to your library. If you have multiple entries, pick the one that launches the Epic app. This step is important because launching Fortnite through this shortcut ensures Steam stays in control of the controller mapping. With that done, go to your Steam library and open the Epic Games Launcher entry you just added. Once Epic opens, navigate to your library inside Epic and launch Fortnite as you normally would. Because you started the Epic Launcher from inside Steam, Steam Input will be active and will automatically handle the controller mappings for your Steam controller. You should be able to navigate menus and jump into a match without extra setup. If movement or buttons feel off, you can return to Steam's controller settings later and make adjustments, but most players will be good to go right away. That's it. Thanks for watching.